I am ready. Whole pack out here. Mini Bike Mondays is going down. Did you know? Oh yeah. See the helmets in the place. So I'm out here eating some of the greasy grill. You know, greasy goodness. See the spikes on the gang on time. It's a little light night. It's a little cold, about high 40 degrees by now. So we're gonna sit back and then do this thing how we supposed to. Call it a night. Oh, you see it. How we doing it? Dude, we pulling up on them.
never be taken away. That's a love that lasts forever. No matter what you two go through, as long as your love is true, God is always blessing you too. This is from my young brother to his girl, his best friend, someone he can talk to, someone that will listen and will understand when he's telling her the things that he's going through, someone that won't judge him, but will love him unconditionally. That's who he wants her to be, is his best friend. I introduced myself right after this one. My brother, seek and you shall find, but first release that change from around your mind. That jealousy and hatred you might have in your heart, release that too, for that's a good start. Forgive your brothers who have done you wrong. Find a way in your heart and carry on. Seek and you will find that love, that joy, that peace of mind. Now give thanks to our Father who sits high above. Now you made more room in your heart for the Queen's love. Hey y'all, the Queen riding a motorcycle. Well, whatever you want to call it.
Her name Queen.
Hey.
It's Queen Gorgeous.
Listen, my name Michael. Michael means to be like God. Just like the Archangel Michael Jordan, Michael Jackson, Michelangelo. But our brother Michael Jackson said it best. It all began with that man in the mirror. It's prohibited to use any material without my permission because I wrote it. But we don't have to argue, fuss, and fight. We might not see eye to eye, but let me be the one to explain the reasons why. See, we don't have to like each other because we all got different personalities, but we have to love each other in order to live in reality. Love's a funny thing. It will have you up, it will have you down. It will have you with the frown on your face out of frustration. The next moment you have a smile on your face, infatuated. But it's one thing love will never do. It'll never hurt either one of you two. Don't get to heaven and tell God I ain't tell you. I gave him the message. Hey, I love you. Hey, man.
I appreciate that.
Hey, bro, homeless trying to earn something to eat, bro.
I'm trying to get it. I got the shop. Time to take it on there for the night, man. Right. Good night, baby. So it was a good night. The ride was good. Everybody made it back safe. A little trial and error here and there, but Sunday, Monday, we back at it again. Back to the work. Oh, you see it. King himself, Stunto Fox. We're just making it back where it's a little bit warmer. What time? It was 45 degrees. With the wind, it makes it about 30. But mini bike, I call it mini Mondays. There's no mini bikes. But it's mini bikes. A little one too many. But stay tuned.